to my right, you're looking at one of our brand new fryers. This is going to be a propane gas fryer, 50-pound fryer. Brand on these fryers, our own company brand, Cooler Depot. As you can see on the very front plaque, we have a brand for this fryer, okay? Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this fryer out for you. So you have measurements for the fryer. Starting with the length, you're looking at 15.5 inches of the length. Height on the wheels, you're looking at a total of 5 inches height on the wheels. Okay, the wheels will have breakers as well installed to them, all right? So that's going to be the height on the wheels. Now I want to go ahead and measure front to back on this fryer. Okay, front to back, 30 inches. Overall height, total of 45 inches high. Also on the back, you can locate gas connection on the back of this fryer. Okay, so that's going to be located on the back. Measurements for the baskets. Length 6.5 inches. Front to back, total of 13 inches. Bottom to the top, total of 6 inches. Okay, you will be provided with these baskets as well. Set of 2 for the fryer. Now we go back to the unit. I want to go ahead and show you the inside. Open up this door right here, and on the inside we can locate a plaque with all the information, details regarding this fryer. You will locate your model, your BTU, which BTU is 120,000 BTU per hour. Also, certifications are going to be located on that same plaque. You can also locate your burners on the inside. You have 4 burners for this unit. Oil drain also on the front, and on the very bottom we have our temperature adjuster for this fryer. Okay, so that's going to be demonstration on the inside and all details for this 50-pound propane gas fryer. Now, if you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, CoolerDepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.